Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome to my next build. This is a 2015 Ford Transit. Here's a quick recap on what I've done so far. You! I totally... Pretty much most of this van is going to be glued and nailed together. All that ghetto stuff that we're trying to avoid over here, you know? I feel like a lot of people don't worry about weight when they're doing these builds, so I try to make everything as light as possible. The same strength. This thing, nothing. And we got quite a bit framed up here. I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh, that doesn't look perfectly square. Because it's not. It's gotta be a little slanted for your butt cheeks. Why'd you cut it from the inside? Well, because I forgot my ladder, okay? For the record, this is not how it's going to look. Everything will be stained, finished, epoxied, all that, so be patient. And cutting holes in it and filling them with epoxy to kind of give like a good light flow through. Now, a few of you see the benches in the back and you're like, where the hell is this guy gonna sleep, you know? I have a plan, and I'm gonna get some foam board and give everyone a rough idea. Before anybody gets a little clever on me, the foam board is not what the bed's gonna be made out of. This is just to show you how my bed is gonna work. I wanted to have full access to my back doors because that's important to me in case I want to put dirt bikes or BMX bikes in here. It's a great way to utilize the space to the fullest. I'm 5'9". This van's designed for me so I could stand up and walk around while the bed is stowed into the ceiling. Also, this is going to be seating, so you don't need a ton of headroom anyway. So the actuators operate on this little rocker switch. I've never been in a rush to go to sleep, so it works for me. Gets done in less than a minute. That's all you need. This is the bed height. Ample room to do whatever you got to do in your bed. Yeah. I think it's going to work out pretty good. But enough with this bed. I'm going to get rid of this foam board and explain what's inside the benches. Right here we have a Renogy 200 amp hour AGM battery. I like this fuse panel though because it shows whenever a fuse is blown. These LEDs indicate whenever a fuse is blown. So that's great. Stepping up into the van, we can see I have my inverter kind of chilling there for now. So right here you can see my Renogy Rover solar controller. Here's my 20-gallon water tank. Right here is my water pump. Nothing's mounted yet. I want to get everything in before I start bolting everything down. So I also rubberized all these compartments with Flex Seal. This side I use white Flex Seal for my water side. This side I did black Flex Seal. So this is just wood basically coated with rubber. So right here we have the shower. I still need to frame up this wall. I'm gonna have shelves on the inside of this and for my soaps and all that stuff. I'm also gonna have a toilet in here, which will be nice in case you gotta go to the bathroom and shower at the same time. Right here, this is the speaker, or was the speaker that was stock with the vehicle. What I went ahead and did is I bought waterproof speakers so I could have waterproof speakers in my shower so I can, you know, boogie while I'm cleaning, because everybody likes to listen to music when they shower, and if you don't, that's criminal. So I hooked up some LED strips on a dimmer. So yeah, there it is, fired up. And then if you want to dim it down, set the mood. Yeah, lights out, lights on. And this dimmer switch is really cool. It's just a piece of stainless, and you just touch it. It's your finger. This sink is a top mount. However, since driver's side headrest is right here. I didn't want to get my head blown off if I got in an accident or something. So I recessed it in a little bit. I'm gonna build some like framing underneath to secure it even more. But I really like that it's now only 3 inches opposed to 5 inches off the top. Gives me a lot more elbow room, and it just so happened to give just great access to this beautiful faucet I have. Yet again, I'll say it until I'm blue in the face, everything is very rough. I'm just seeing how everything fits before I start really finishing and making everything look nice. But this is one of those ones that you just touch and the water turns on automatically, which is really cool. You also have this, awesome, love it. And then going right next to it, we have my 2-burner propane stove. I put it right here because the window is right here. So you turn the fan on, have the fan push air into the vehicle, and then it will just push all the nasty stuff out while you're cooking. I'm also gonna have a carbon monoxide detector, and my refrigerator is gonna pull out towards the door. And right here, I'm gonna have 3 drawers, all on soft closers, of course. And that's gonna be my dresser. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Dropping links below. They're affiliate links. So if you're interested in anything that I installed today, click the links, buy some stuff, and most of all, build a sick van.